the new dynamic functions of Fluent Forms. It's very simple, very easy, and very fast to do. Alright, let's just uncheck this. So then you go into the dynamic fields, you insert as dynamic fields, and it's here. Now, of course, this is all for tests, so the website is not value, and the Google Sheets that we're working on are not value as well. So there are a couple of things. First, let's see where we're getting it from. So this is from the forms fields. As you can see here is the source. So you can use the posts, and then you can see the post filters, and you can add another post if you want to. The taxonomy terms, the uses, so you get the user data. Make sure that you have the current user data, and that's the data from the user for all the users, and the Fluent Forms submissions. But where I want to focus is the dynamic CSV. So this is a CSV function that came from Google Sheets. And when you open these sheets, then you have to share it. This is Dutch. Publish it on the internet. Then you have to choose for separate with commas. And as you can see on the end of the link, it says CSV. And when you select something else, then you can see that it changed. So the CSV, now what you have to do is copy this, and don't make the mistake to close it, just leave it open, otherwise it won't work. So there we go, and pasting in the URL, the result limits, so you can limit the results from top to the bottom. So as you can see here, the results. Then you can get the results. And then you see here the valid results that it picked up. In this case, the languages. So there is only one row. So we have to double check this. The label and value must be the same. And when it's dynamic retrieval, then it will automatically change when something changes here in this spreadsheets. So when you change something, then it will automatically also change in the form. Once you've done that, of course you can choose for the type of select, multi-select. So let's choose this, for example, and then we preview it, and then you can see here all the countries. Now this is not looking so great because there are too many countries. So when we go back to the form and we say that we want to have it selectable, and we save it, and then we say we want to search for Dutch. So this is, when you see here, then we can select Dutch. Now there must be also selectable fields. Let's see if I can find it. No, it only says select and multiple selects. That's funny, because when we are going to the select fields, the drop down fields, and you see it in here, also can choose for the smart search function. And when you go in here with the dynamic, yes, I'm so sorry. It says here searchable in smart options. So let's delete this one, and we are saving this, and we go to the previous preview to the form, and we say don't close the spreadsheet, otherwise it won't work. So let's see. We want to search Dutch. As you can see here, and it says Dutch. So very handy, very good. And there is also another thing that I want to show you from Fluent Form, and that is the multi-selectable let's see. Media. So these are the medias, and when you choose for the file, then you can also choose for the drop zone. So this is very handy when they can drag and drop the media, and you can also choose what is available. So if you have pictures or you have PDFs, all the PDFs, then you can check that, and the maximum of the uploads that you can upload, the maximum files, so you can increase that, and the MB or the kilobytes. So when we are going in the form once again and we refresh it, then you can see here, obviously there is nothing here to drop now, but you can drag and drop it from the computer and put it in there, in these fields. Let's see. So I want to close this, and let's say that we want to drag and drop this one. And then you can see that it will be uploading. If you have multiple files, then it will upload at once. Now that was a little tutorial, a small tutorial that I just wanted to show you. But the dynamic fields, I think is great, because when you have Google Sheets and you change something on the sheets, then it will automatically also change in through the dynamic fields option. But there are of course a lot of other things that you can do. You have fluent boards. I have showed you that in previous tutorials that you can dynamically use fluent boards, and when somebody submits a form, then it will automatically go to fluent boards. Now I don't have installed it in here, and once they have published it in Fluent Boards, then it will go to Google Sheets, and when it goes to Google Sheets, then it will go to Fluent Forms. Well, there are 1,000,001 options. I think they have done a great thing with adding this dynamic field widget. See you later, guys. Ciao.